Hello everyone, welcome back to KK Creations Official. I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm making strawberry string. Before starting, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. To make a strawberry shake, in a blender pour milk, 2 tablespoons sugar, vanilla ice cream, some strawberries, ice cubes, and blend it well. Pour in a glass. Put some ice cream, strawberries on top. When it's ready, let's make a strawberry soda. Make a strawberry paste. Put it in glass. Add ice cubes. Add Sprite. Put some strawberries on top and sprinkle some black salt. So both of the drinks are ready. I hope you like the video. It's easy and simple to make. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, like, comment and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.